What is additive manufacturing? Hi everyone, I Aiman, Mechanical Engineering students, semester 6. What is additive manufacturing? Additive manufacturing is one of the elements in the Industrial Revolution 4.0. Additive manufacturing is a computer-controlled process that creates three-dimensional objects by depositing material, usually in layers. So how it works? First, we need the CAD software. As we know, one of the famous CAD software is AutoCAD. So in this CAD software, it allows for the creations of the object with precise geometric shapes, and then it will build layer by layer, which is in contrast with the traditional manufacturing that often require machining and other techniques. So who's the genius who created this additive manufacturing equipment? So the earliest 3D printer manufacturing equipment was developed by a Japanese named Hideo Kodama. Next, I'll be sharing with you guys what are the types of the 3D printers. So the first one, we have fused deposition modeling, we call FDM. Secondly, we have stereolithography, SLA. And third one, we have digital light processing. And the fourth one, selective laser sintering. The fifth one, selective laser melting. The sixth, laminated object manufacturing. And last but not least, the digital beam melting. Additive manufacturing is also known as the 3D printing. The objective of making this video is I would like to share with you guys what is the benefit and the challenges in additive manufacturing in engineering. Now I will jump into the first benefits of additive manufacturing. So the first one is it saves on energy costs. When we are comparing with the traditional manufacturing, additive manufacturing can reduce energy usage significantly. Why? Because the first one, it uses less material. Secondly, it eliminates few steps on the production process. Furthermore, if we want to remanufacturing our parts by using additive manufacturing, it can return end of life to like new condition by using only 2 to 25% of the energy required. Secondly, it reduces waste production. Additive manufacturing generates less waste production compared to traditional manufacturing. For instance, milling process. Milling process is to remove a material from a block that is bigger than the product itself. The removed material is usually in the form of shredded material. These shredded materials end up as a waste and cannot be used anymore. Additive manufacturing works differently. Instead of removing the material, it adds material layer by layer. So we will obtain our desired product or design or parts. Research has been made saying that additive manufacturing can reduce the material cost and waste by as much as 90%. The third one is it is flexible to revise all our designs. It is about bringing a design and innovation into real life. So imagine if you are the engineer which need to design a jet turbine. In order for us to test our efficiency of our design, we can make a prototype by using this 3D printing. From there, we can analyze and detect any defects on our design and improve our design. If there is any defects, we can change it straight away. And now, imagine if we are using the traditional way. Can you imagine how much the cost we have wasted in making the prototype? And the fact that we need to create and build a new one using the desired material. Now I'll be sharing with you guys the challenges in additive manufacturing. The first one is slow build rates. It is very time consuming when we use this 3D printing. We required more advanced technologies to reduce the time taken, and we hope that one day we will find a solution into this. Depends on the part. Sometimes it takes a very long time, a few hours or even a day to just create a very small items. Second one is the part structure. 3D printings produce layer by layer. Although it add higher together, it also means that they can eliminate under stresses or orientation. In certain cases, it is better to use injection molding as it creates homogeneous part that will not separate or break. As for my future recommendations, firstly, I hope that additive manufacturing will be widely used in our manufacturing industry. This will help us to create more reliable products in the future. Next, I hope that there will be more efficient and advanced technology will be discovered and developed. This is because to reduce the time taken for us to print or fabricate our prototypes. And lastly, I hope that the younger generation, such as primary school students, will be given exposure, especially in designing and fabricating products. This will help the STEM system will be implemented since little. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.